In a shocking incident near Nirutota-Palam in Chintapalli Mandal, Andhra Pradesh, renowned pastor and activist Dr. Abhinay Darshan was brutally assaulted by unidentified goons. According to eyewitnesses and viral videos, the assailants first pelted the pastor with eggs before launching a vicious attack with knives and other sharp weapons. Pastor Abhinay Darshan sustained severe injuries and is currently receiving emergency medical treatment. Well known for leading the Citizen Protection Force (CPF) and fearlessly advocating for believers in tribal areas, the attack on him has been strongly condemned by church leaders and believers across the Telugu states. DEI-TV Christian News urges the Andhra Pradesh government to immediately arrest the culprits, provide full security to the pastor, and ensure a transparent investigation, while calling upon the community to pray for his speedy recovery.
కారు రాదన్నా, కారు పగలు కొట్టేశారు మొత్తం. తొందరగా అన్న, తొందరగా అన్న, ఇక తెచ్చిపెట్టాడు తొందరగా అన్న. సృహలో ఉన్నాడా? సృహలో ఉన్నాడా?